Meet KeepMyLog, your AI-powered finance and nutrition tracker. All the features you need: dashboard, expenses, budgets, AI assistant, and more. Built for freelancers, health trackers, and budget-conscious families. Multi-language support: English, Bangla, and Japanese. Sign in and get started in seconds. Your dashboard shows the full picture: income, expenses, balance, and AI insights. Recent activity, transactions, and AI-powered spending analysis. Overview cards show totals at a glance, expenses, income, and averages. Pie charts and trend lines help you spot where your money goes. Meet your AI assistant, with proactive signals, upcoming bills, and pending drafts. Ask anything in natural language: what is my today's expense? The AI instantly pulls your data and gives you a clear answer. Want to log something? Just type it. Can you add coffee for 40 taka for today? The AI creates a draft for your review. Nothing changes without your approval. Review the details: amount, category, date, then approve with one click. Expense added. The AI even suggests follow-up actions. Ask follow-up questions naturally. Is there any budget category? It knows your data. Coffee falls under food and dining. The expenses page shows all your transactions with search and filters. Add expenses manually too, with receipt scanning built in. Multi-currency support: switch between USD, Euro, BDT, and more. Track all income sources: salary, freelance, investments. Set budgets per category and see real-time progress with visual bars. Over budget? The app flags it in red so you never miss an overspend. Nutrition tracking: just describe what you ate, AI handles the rest. Calories, protein, carbs, fat, all calculated automatically. Reports give you the big picture: income versus expenses over time. Filter by category and export to CSV for your own analysis. Your AI assistant is always ready, with signals, bills, and smart suggestions. KeepMyLog. Track smarter, not harder. Try it free at KeepMyLog.com.